Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the 7 factors that have influenced industrial growth in Uganda. Firstly, Uganda's stable political environment has attracted foreign investment and encouraged industrial growth. Secondly, the availability of natural resources such as minerals and agriculture has supported the development of various industries. Additionally, the government's focus on infrastructure development, including roads and power supply, has facilitated industrial growth. Moreover, Uganda's young and growing population has provided a large labor force for the industrial sector. Furthermore, favorable trade policies and agreements have opened up new markets and increased exports, boosting industrial growth. Another factor is the improved access to finance and investment opportunities, which has encouraged the development and expansion of industries. In addition, advancements in technology have enhanced productivity and efficiency in the industrial sector. The government's commitment to promoting entrepreneurship and innovation has also played a significant role in driving industrial growth in Uganda. Lastly, the establishment of industrial parks and free trade zones has attracted investors, creating a conducive environment for industrial development. In conclusion, these 7 factors have collectively contributed to the impressive industrial growth seen in Uganda in recent years.